Hey guys, welcome back. In this episode, hold that thought, I'll be right back. That's better. Yeah, that's better. I'm in my brand new God's Red 992. I'm joking. It's not mine. It's not. Let's start this bad boy up. Sounds good. It's got the fan down. Wait a minute. Reverse all the way forward. Oh my God. I like it. All right, so let's drive the 992. Okay, it's nice. It's really nice. Drive. Oh my God, I'm pretty excited. Yeah, that's better. I'm in my brand new God's Red 992. I'm joking. It's not mine. But I am inside a God's Red 992 and I couldn't be more excited. This is just absolutely phenomenal. It's beautiful. Now, in this video, I'm going to be talking, of course, about the 992, and I'm not going to do a comparison between the 991 and the 992 necessarily, but you can't help drive this car and compare the two models, especially as a 991 owner. But I've been in the 992 now for at least, 90 seconds. I really like it. So I'll be the first to admit that when the 992 was released in 2018 at the LA Car Show, I took a look at it and I thought, I don't like it. It's the Panamera Coupe. I thought it was the Panamera Coupe. I thought it was too angular. I really didn't like the rear lights. I thought that, and I saw a silver one, I think it was. The silver lights, and all of them now are wide body, which is great. But they also have the light bar across the back. And honestly, I thought it looked like an old school Centurion from Battlestar Galactica. But, you know, as much as I was against the 992, I saw one for the first time a couple of weeks ago and I was blown away. And then I read more and more about it and how it's taken in nods from all of the previous generations of 991 or of 911. And it started to grow on me. And then I configured one online and now I'm sitting in one. Guys, don't listen to me, or at least don't listen to old James, listen to new James. The 992 is beautiful. It's a beautiful car. And although the lights still haven't grown on me, just like my 991s frankly haven't grown on me yet, it's so nice. It's so nice. Now, the hood on the front with the two new indentations harks back to the 993 and the 964, I think it was. The dials here, even though they are separated now, that's not a new thing. I didn't realize this, but that's what it's like in the 993. And the simplicity of the new dash goes back to the 993 and earlier generations. I love it. It's like a modern twist on a classic style 911. I'm a believer. I am now a believer. Now, does that mean I'm gonna buy one? I don't know. Ruthie, turn off now if you're watching. My lovely wife, turn off. You don't need to see this. You don't need to see your husband this excited about a car. Here we go. Let's grip it and rip it. Holy sh... Wow, okay. 379 horses with lower range torque between, I think, is it 1500 and 5000 RPM? Wow, you can really feel a difference. This is the Carrera 4S, and no, I forgive me, the base has 379 horsepower. This is the 4S, which I think has around 450 horses, and it does 0 to 60 in less than 4 seconds. I want to say 3.5. I'm not 100% sure, but let's do that again. Oh my God. That is absolutely insane. And it sounds great. It sounds absolutely great. It has the Porsche sports exhaust, which of course helps a lot. Without the sports exhaust, I think, I agree. And the owner of this car, my new friend Andy, he thinks it's a little tame without the PSE on, and I would tend to agree. But with the sports exhaust on, I mean, that's the other t-shirt that you should make, or I should make and, give out, is hashtag valves open, hashtag grip and rip. Let's do it. It's insane. The acceleration is absolutely insane. It's incredible. Whew. This is incredible. This is such a beautiful car. So this is the 4S. It has around 450 horses, 8-speed PDK transmission. It has a twin turbocharged 3-liter flat-six engine, and it pumps out a lot of power. It's beautiful, and the torque in that lower RPM range. Come on, what are we here for? Oh my goodness, it's a dream to drive. And it, being the 4 as opposed to the 2, which is what I have, it's such a great feeling on these wintry icy roads. It's about freezing today. It's not too cold in Minnesota standards, but still, you get down to this temperature, you're in the shadows occasionally, you worry about slipping on ice. This feels like it's really planted. So ride style, beautiful. Driving experience, it's just like every 991. It's just like every 911. It's incredible. I don't care if you have a 993, a 996, a 997, a 991, or a 992, or whatever. It's the Porsche experience. It's the 911 driving experience, and it's phenomenal. Porsche have not done away with anything that they've learned over the past 8 generations of car. It's fantastic. Now, love or hate the design, or be somewhere in between, I've got a feeling it's going to grow on everyone. It really is. It's just so well made. The interior feels rich and luxurious, even though this is the basic interior. Like, I have the basic interior in my 991. The exterior, it's about 2 inches wider. All of the models come with the wide body now, so there's no longer the narrow body for the C2s and the wide body for the C4s and the C4Ss, or the narrow bodies versus the wide bodies for the base models or the S models. The indentations on the bumper, the lights, the rear lights, they've really tried, I think, to make a classic modern car, if that makes any sense. It's a really nice twist, I think, on the modern technologies. And you've got all the gizmos and the gadgets. You've got digital dials, apart from the one in the very middle, which certainly still looks analog. You've got the very wide touchscreen PCM with your wireless CarPlay, which I installed in mine, which was scary, but I'm glad I've got it now. I can even get behind the little miniature cigarette lighter Zippo looking gear shifter, even though reverse is forward, which is a bit weird to me, and drive is all the way back. it's really nice. You know, the texture of the basic interior kind of looks like on the trim accents, it just looks like carbon fiber. It's odd to see the base finish so luxurious. I'm very impressed, and that's definitely a difference from the 991, because the base interior of the 991 is a bit boring, and I'm gutted that I've gone from a full leather luxurious 997 interior to a pretty basic 991 interior. But this basic quote unquote 992 interior is just lovely. Whew. I'm impressed. I am a believer. I am now a believer in the 992. What a lovely car. Wow, you guys, the 992 absolutely rocks. Absolutely rocks. Don't let anyone tell you any different, especially morons like me that when it first came out was like, nah, don't really like it. Nah. It's amazing. It's really, really, really good. The power, the interior, the quality of the build, the options, the styling, the stance, the way it just sort of sits there. Oh my God, you guys, it's incredible. Thank you, Andy, for being a good sport and bringing along your 992 for me to play around with for the afternoon. I'm very grateful, and very nice to meet you, by the way. More stuff coming soon on Auto Amateur. If you haven't subscribed yet, check out my podcast, which supports a lot of the videos that I'm going to be making. There are 4 episodes live already. You can find me on Spotify, on Apple Podcasts, formerly iTunes. You can find me on Alexa in the Tuned In app, and you can find me on a few other podcasting platforms. So please check out my podcast and subscribe. Oh, SoundCloud, that's the other one. That's a lot of fun. I've got some exciting collaborations in the works, Michael Bath, and some other potential collaborations in the works. I won't say, I don't want to spoil the fun. It's gonna be a lot of fun. So podcasts, and I've got a couple more videos coming up, which I'm hopefully gonna get done before the end of the year to start, or to go out with a bang on for 2019. But as ever, thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing, thanks for all the comments and support, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, bye.